Now, application of creep analysis. I mean, what are the analysis that we do for the creeping? What are the application part? Okay, so creep analysis is essential in the industries where the materials are exposed to the high temperature for a prolonged period. Some key applications are include. Obvious, because the definition of the creep what suggests that having high temperature and prolonged stress or prolonged loading. Okay, for that nature, we must need to analyze the material so that we can apply that particular material accordingly. Okay, like industrial aerospace, jet engines, turbine blades, these are the applications, power plants, steam blades, boiler tubes, nuclear reactor, reactor pressure vessels, okay, oil and gas, pipelines in a high temperature environments, automobiles, automotives, the exhaust manifolds and turbochargers. These are having the high temperature parts of, I mean, you know what is the exhaust manifolds, they are having very high temperature when they are exhausting the gases, in automobiles. So these all are the examples on this applications where they experiencing very high temperatures. And for that we must have the material that can resist these all. Okay,